Are you an engineering student? Then let me ask you something. How many websites do you use for your studies, coding, projects, internships, and career? Probably just a few. But there are some incredibly useful websites that can save your time, improve your skills, and even help you build your career. So, in today's video, I'm going to share 10 plus websites every engineering student should know in 2026. And trust me, you'll probably discover at least few websites you have never used before. So, let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are an engineering student interested in coding, projects, productivity, technologies, and development, this video is for you. I have divided this video and websites into different categories so you can easily find ones that are most useful for you. So make sure you watch until the end. I also have a few bonus websites for you. Let's start with one of the most important websites for every engineering student, GitHub. GitHub is a platform where you can store, manage, and share your code and projects. You can also explore thousands of open source projects and learn from other developers. If you are learning programming or web development, start building GitHub profile from your college days. And when you build a project, don't just keep it to your laptop. Upload it to GitHub and showcase your work. Next is LeetCode. If you are preparing for coding interviews or want to improve your problem solving skills, LeetCode is a great platform. You can practice problem related to arrays, strings, trees, graphs, linked list, and dynamic programming, and much more. My advice is simple. Don't try to solve hundreds of questions randomly. Start with basics and practice consistently. Even one problem a day can help you develop a regular coding habit. Number 3 is GeeksforGeeks. This is one of the most useful website for computer science and engineering students. You can find resources like DSA, C++, Python, DBMS, computer networking, operating system, and many other topics. It can also be useful when you are preparing for technical interviews or revising concepts before exams. So, if you are IT or CS student, definitely keep this website bookmarked. Now, this one is especially useful when if you are confused about what to learn next. It's called Roadmap.sh. Suppose you want to become a web developer. You might be wondering, should I learn HTML first, then CSS, JavaScript, React, database? There are many technologies that it can become confusing. Roadmap.sh provides visual learning roadmaps for different developer roles and technologies. So instead of jumping from one technology to another, follow a structured path. Next is freeCodeCamp. If you want to learn web development, programming, or technical skills, freeCodeCamp is a great place to start. It provides tutorials, interactive exercises, and projects. And one of the best thing is that you can learn many topics without paying for a traditional course. So if you are a beginner, explore it. Are you interested in artificial intelligence, machine learning, or data science? Then you should know about Kaggle. Kaggle provides datasets, notebooks, learning resources, and competitions. You can use real world datasets to practice your data science skills and work on projects. If AI and data science is your career goal, Kaggle can become a very important website for your learning journey. Next is Google Scholar. Engineering is not only about coding and assignments. At some point, especially when you start working on major projects, you may need research papers and academic resources. Google Scholars provides you find research papers, journals, and academic publications. This can help you to understand what other researchers have already done. Next is Stack Overflow. Every programmer faces errors. You would write some code, run it, and suddenly you get an error that you have never seen before. That's where Stack Overflow can be useful. You can search for similar problems and read discussions from developers who have faced the same issue. But remember, don't just copy the solution, understand why the solution works. That's how you can actually improve your programming skills. Next is Coursera. If you want to learn beyond your college syllabus, Coursera has courses from universities and organizations. It's covering topics like programming, AI, cybersecurity, data science, business, and more. You don't need to complete dozens of courses. Instead, choose one course related to your current goal and actually complete it. One completed project is more valuable than 10 unfinished courses. Now, let's talk about something that every engineering student needs: organization. That's where Notion can help. You can use Notion to organize your notes, assignments, projects, study plans, goals, and learning resources. For example, you can create a separate section for college work, coding, projects, exams, and personal goals. The goal is not to create a beautiful dashboard. The goal is to actually stay organized and get things done. And finally, LinkedIn. Don't wait until your final year to create your professional profile. Start it building during college. Add your skills, projects, internships, certifications, and achievements. Follow companies and professionals from your field. And most importantly, connect with people and learn from them. You never know when a connection or opportunity might help you in your career. Now, here are a few bonus websites that you should also explore. First is Figma, useful for UI, UX, and design. Second, Canva, useful for presentations, posters, and visual content. HackerRank, useful for coding practice and skill assessment. Fourth, Ambient Web Docs, extremely useful if you're learning web development. And MIT OpenCourseWare, for accessing educational material from MIT courses. If I were starting my engineering journey again, I won't try to use all these websites at once. I would choose them according to my goal. For coding, GitHub plus LeetCode. For web development, freeCodeCamp plus Amdian plus Roadmap.sh. For AI and data science, Kaggle plus Google Scholar. For college studies, GeeksforGeeks plus Coursera. For productivity, Notion. For career and networking, LinkedIn. The important thing is not how many websites you know. The important thing is how effectively you use them. So these were the some of the best websites every engineering student should know in 2026. If you are an engineering student, save this video and explore these websites one by one. And let me know in the comments below which website is your favorite and which useful website did I miss. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your engineering friends. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep building. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.